That is the BMW Red Car lift of death. You can't make it disappear, and you definitely should not ignore it. Your car is telling you to drive directly to the BMW service centre. Oh, and don't forget to take your money with you. Cha-ching. Of course you can do that, but in this video I'll show you how to find the underlying code yourself, and then I'll flash up on the screen the full list of codes. And finally we'll look at the bizarre reason that I have this red car lift of death error symbol in the first place. Here we are in the car, and let's start it up. And there it is, the red car lift of death. After a few seconds it'll disappear. So we then go to the stalk, 2 clicks up, and then press once in to bring up the car on lift symbol. And now press and hold it in for about 3 seconds, and we should get our ID number, which for me is number 71, brake pads worn. And if you watch this video until the end, you'll see what the issue actually is. So here are the codes, and you'll have to pause the video when you get to your code. These CC-ID codes are not like standard DTC trouble codes, and you cannot clear them temporarily and then cross your fingers and hope they don't come back. The only way that you can make them go away is by fixing the underlying issue. A lot of these codes are not as descriptive as they could be, so you'll need a good OBD2 reader in order to get a better understanding of the issue, and a visual inspection can also help too. My code is CC-ID 71, brake pads worn, but I only replaced the brake pads a couple of months ago, so I know it isn't that. By doing a visual inspection we can find out what is going on with the brake pad sensor, and it looks like it has been hit by a big stone or something and has been completely torn away. So that will cost $10 to $20 to replace, so an easy fix in my case. I hope the fix for your car is as easy and cheap too. If this video helped you out, then you know what to do. Give it a like, consider subscribing, and I'd love to hear about how you fixed your red car lift of death error. Until next time.